Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to open Bosch washing machine door when locked. If your Bosch washing machine door is locked and you need to open it, there are a few methods you can try to depending on the situation. First you have to ensure the washing machine has completed its cycle. After that you have to wait a few minutes after the cycle ends, as the door may remain locked for a short period to ensure all the water is drained. After that you can try turn the dial to the off position and then wait a couple minutes for the lock mechanism to disengage. After that try opening the door. If this method is not working for you, then you have to drain the machine manually. If there is still water in the drum, the door might not unlock. Here's how to drain it manually. First you have to locate the drain pump filter at the bottom front of the machine and then place a shallow container or towel under the filter to catch water. Slowly open the filter and allow the water to drain out. After draining, attempt to open the door again. Hopefully your door will be unlocked after that. Hopefully this video help you to open your Bosch washing machine when its door locked. Thanks for watching.